Hello and welcome to the Stock Planner channel. This is a quick video on Invesco. Invesco does a lot of ETFs. It's in the financial sector. The financial sector hasn't done that well lately. We'll take a look at the chart in just a minute. But before we analyze it, and before I tell you about an insider buying a large portion of stock, I want to remind you that the Stock Planner channel is an education channel. We're doing our own due diligence. This market is highly volatile. I had not received a signal from my 3-indicator strategy. And by the way, that's on Discord. My 3-indicator strategy uses the MACD, the RSI, and the stochastic RSI. And I mention it because if you know what my strategy is, you can develop your own. There's many indicators out there. There's many different ways of trading the market. And you can't follow somebody else's strategy. You have to develop your own. And that takes time, energy, effort. And if you do it, and do a little back testing, you'll win. Good, strong company. Offers some value. It's undervalued currently. Earnings are expected to grow by a modest amount. It hasn't paid a dividend. Good past financial history. And the health of the company is outstanding. This is a company that's good and strong. And by the way, this is Simply Wall Street. And you're looking for a big green snowflake. Trading view. It's free. Stock ticker for Invesco is IBZ. That's the 2-hour. Let's put this on the daily. Actually, we're going to put it on the weekly. Downtrend for the week. On the weekly. Each bar is a week. And by the way, trading's view free. And here's my MACD, the stochastic RSI, and the RSI. And when it comes back around like this it is, and the RSI come back around, that's a bearish sign, and we have a crossover here when it's above the zero line, which it is, and all three of those indicators are saying, hey, it's going south. The daily time frame that I use a lot, hey, a little green today. The MACD is below the zero line. That's the time we look for longs. The stochastic was above the 80 and came back down, and maybe it's coming back around. It hasn't yet, but the RSI has become around. When it went down to the oversold under the 30 and came back around, that's bullish. The market, we're in recession, we have some inflation, we have lack of confidence in our government. This doesn't look like a good time to go long, but the indicators say long. Maybe it'll hang in this area here, not too much. The stock is currently trading at $17.28. If we can find something between $15 and $19, yeah. Not 19, that's $20, and 15 is right here. It's about mid-May, May 12th, and a month out. Will it hang in this area for a month? Let's see if we can put a deal together. Using a free simulation tool called OptionStrat for options, and typing in the stock symbol, going out about a month, we're using a calendar. A calendar spread is it's a neutral play, and you're looking to see it take some profit if it stays between 2 points. The 2 points we're looking at are 15 and 19. It was just under 20. So that's sort of meets the criteria. Pretty close. And it cost us $27. In other words, we're not putting money in our pocket. It's going to cost us that. But that is the max loss. And I'm going to try to do 4 of these. In other words, I'm going to take $100, put it on the table, and gamble. That's what stock trading is all about. It's gambling. You're taking a guess. I have no way of knowing that the market's going to go up or down tomorrow. I don't know if it's going to stay steady. I have no idea. But I do know that if this stock about mid-May hangs in this area here, hangs around the middle, I'll be able to make around $14. $14 on a $27 investment is 50%, I'm guessing. That's good. If I do 4 of those, I'll have around 40 or 50 bucks. Looking at a graph, as long as it stays between these 2 points, 15.30 and 19, and the closer it gets, it stays between to around 17, where it's currently at, I'll take the most profit home. I can actually take up to $64 if it ends here. And of course, as the time goes on, that's where the profit zone is. There's a 17, and that's where you make your most money. See it? This is a sweet deal. Low risk. Is a gamble. What do you think? Is it enough money for you? Please leave your comments below. Like and subscribe. This channel is growing. my trading has gotten better. By the way, these last 2 weeks I've done really well. Now, I'm generally short the market. Not everything, though. And I took a $700 loss on one of my trades. That was a big loss, but I've also made some very, very good money. So remember to do your own due diligence, develop your own strategy, learn this, take the time, paper trade if you got to, but be on the market right now. You need to be trading this. You can't be sitting out and doing nothing. You have to either paper trade or take these little low risk, low value type trades. Hey, we'll catch you on the flip. Happy trading.